I'm live. Smile.
Show on the ground.
So pretty. Okay, let's see. Is there a, no, there's not a light. No. I don't want to make him dizzy.
Look at all the storage.
Storage, storage, storage.
And the storage, well, look at this.
And then more storage. Ooh, pantry. I'm taking you with me on all of my listings.
I have to get my nails done though.
Okay, I'll pay for it in that case. My assistant.
Okay, that's a second bath right in there.
In the laundry room. Washer dryer hookup. Okay.
Another closet.
In the bathroom. Let's get the shower. Carrie. Storage closet.
You see this in the kitchen with the water heater? More storage.
Ooh, no, I didn't see that. Oh, that hot water heater looks new. Gosh, there is a lot of
Look at that
storage.
pegboard already up there.
Perfect.
That's pegboard up there. She's gonna zoom on the pegboard. And then you have this right there.
And these shelves. Lots of storage. Okay.
Should we be back there
Huge
next?
kitchen. Yeah, let's go since we're right here. Love this patio.
Perfect. Just
is.
not screened, but
Could change that though. Beautiful oak tree. Nice side yard. Oh yeah, these. I love that.
that's all stuff to be pressure washed.
Gutters. Thank you, ma'am.
Look at that.
Back room.
Oh, right here. Yeah, this room. My only thing is it's the ceiling's low, but this would be like an office. See,
Yeah.
an office or something. And there's a closet.
Real wood floors, which is nice.
The windows are different.
Closet.
That's what makes it a bedroom, right?
Yeah.
So there's a closet.
I guess if you had
So
to.
probably was originally a 2-bedroom,
I think so.
but even still, it's got so much room.
It really does. And that would make a perfect office.
More
Closet.
closets. Another closet.
Closet. Bedroom.
Oh, no, it doesn't come on. Maybe it's okay.
It's okay.
Can you see?
Kind of. Here we go. Perfect. Wow, that's a nice sized closet too. Thank you.
Same size and
Yeah, that is a good
shelving
size.
right here. Look.
Oh, how convenient. Really nice. Okay. Let's go this way.
Hopefully we're not making you sick.
Closets everywhere.
For all the
I
junk that
love
they're
that.
getting rid of.
You don't have to get rid of all your junk. Nice big
This looks like it had
bathroom.
a, you were saying it looks like it had a sliding door,
Yeah,
but even this is,
it's cute. What a cute idea.
It's actually
Tile.
tile. Huge.
It's in good shape.
Huge commode.
Oh, I like how it's tucked over here. It's private.
So you can keep the door open. if you
Yeah.
want to. Look at the ceiling fan.
Ugh.
This one needs a new ceiling fan.
Definitely.
And the closet, let's see if it has the same shelving and stuff in here. It's deep.
It is. Oh, and it's
It's like 3 times in a closet they have now. Yeah, same shelving.
nice size closet. Yep. Okay, I think we got it all.